Okay, I'm going to make a little video here installing my Dakota digital taillights. This part of the video will be the before. I'll activate all the turn signals and brake lights and all that so you can see how they look before, and then we'll see how they look like after, and hopefully it makes a big improvement. Okay, the first thing we got to do is pull the rear lights out. There should be 4 bolts holding it in, one on each corner. Just pull the sockets out with the lights in it. And I'm hoping just to be able to take the whole thing inside and work on it inside, because as you can see it is kind of nasty out here. Alright, if we peel back the weather stripping, we're going to find 4 screws going around it. 2 up there and 2 down there. We'll get those removed. Alright, the 4 screws removed, the lenses will come right off, and we get right in the inside where we got to mount the new. All the circuit boards have this little button down here, like a little washer with a couple of nuts. You have to take that off, take the wire out of there, because you're going to need to run it through your hole here. The button will fit like this with your two holes on the side for little mounting studs, and then the wire for the hole for the wire. And here's both of them mounted in and ready to start putting the lens back on along with the insulation. Here's one complete, and we'll go on to the second one. Alright, taillights are back in. I'm getting ready to rewire everything. What they give you is these little connectors here. You put your wires in there. You got your 2 LED wires. For example, there'll be 2 brown wires. I'll put those on the outside. The brown are from the car in the middle. You push down on the top here. That makes your connection. It's got like a little splice inside there, a little metal piece that splices down inside. They also put some electrical grease inside there to avoid any kind of corrosion problems. Probably going to use these for right now. This is good enough for winter, but in the spring I may end up soldering them all and putting some shrink tape on them. But I'll go ahead and get these installed. I'm cutting away at some wires down in here. I have a lot of extra stuff and a lot of stuff that people had spliced in prior to me, so I'm trying to get rid of all that, make as few connections as possible, and I'll let you know how it works out. Okay, they're all installed. I'm not crazy about the way those wire clips worked. I had one fail on me out of the 4. One wire slid out, but it slid out after I crimped it down, so I couldn't use that one. But like I said, I'm probably going to just solder them in the spring anyway, and so we'll give it a test here and see how they look. Looks like my left turn signal wasn't working from inside the car. I doubt it did from out here either. I better look into that one. That was actually the one clip that screwed up, so maybe I'll take a look at that. So after working on the rear turn signals, trying to figure out why they wouldn't work, I came to the front and I found this. If you can see in there, it is all kind of corroded and nasty looking. And this is a picture of the bulb. That's all corroded and nasty looking, so once I get that fixed, the lights should work just fine, and I'll make a quick video of it to show you how they work.